uvumelana nje nalo awusithi umukhulu usengube awu hlabelela kuso Jesu mkhulu yebo awu Mosiama Hallelujah sometimes that some partnerships require the wisdom to manage differences without demonizing them. Differences without demonizing them. Differences without demonizing them. Sikhonza inkosi eyodwa kodwa sifana. Kodwa sifana. Asingabi ngoba mina ngiloko engiko. Singase siyasadabana ngoba mina ngiloko engiko. Ngiloko kwangenza ngaba nje ubaba. I always tell people, when it's time to crack a joke, I crack a joke. That's how I am. When it's time to lift mountains, I lift mountains. When it's time to win souls, I win souls. When it's time to make money, I make money. When it's time to make people leaders, I make leaders. Why? One dollar ngaba so. Ungangifuni ngifane nalo wabo. Abangizwa labantu. Ungangifuni futhi ngibe yilo mfundiso makhe engqondweni. Mina bakuthi angihleke ngiyahleka. Kodwa after ukuhleka ngiyaprofet. Sina crack a joke man, just keep this prophet to deliver umuntu manje. Next week abuya fakaze. Why yiloko engiko. uNkulunkulu ngakhe ngaba nje. Ungangenzi ngibe ile dombolo lifunayo wena. Halela ukukumbe ngabafuna ukukumbe wena. Mina ngiloko uNkulunkulu angenze ngaba. Yawo kaniliyangizwa. That's good. Injena. I am like this. Into bangazwani nayo angizwani nayo. Into mayingekho ezwini angizwani nayo. Into mayingahlangene noJehova angiyifuni. Into efuna ukuphakamisa mina engamveza ubaba angiyifuni. Into engamanga angiyifuni njalo. Futhi ngiyiphikisa isakhulunywa. Ngilwa nayo isavele. Isathi nokuvela iqhaqha alikho. Mina ngingasukuma ngihambe ngiphomenyiwe. Mangibona ukuthi lento le angizwani nayo. Mangabe ngizohlala ngisuke ngihlaliswa ukuthi lo mbembile ngisafuna ukukhuluma naye sithi uqoqa kancane ngimbuze ukuthi hey awusangitshela ngani ukuthi phela nenza lo sangene la. That's how I am. Abanye abantu bathanda kuyivalela into angikwazi ukuyivalela. Into engavumelani nayo ngiyakutshela ukuthi lokho angihambisani nayo. Bathi asikushayela izandla ngithi cha mina ngeke ngikushayela izandla ngoba lokho angihambisani. That's good. John had previously withdrawn from the work. Paul judged him unfit for continuation. I will tell you the truth. Paul was not wrong. No, Barnabas was not wrong. They were both right, but in different dimensions. Because ngeke sithatha umuntu okewayeka bese sibeka ithemba lethu ukuthi angeke yedwa. Angithi ukewayeka. So umuntu ohlayeka ngeke bese sithatha ithemba lethu sibese silibeka kuye mina ngafana nilwe nawe. Angithi siyamazi ukuthi ubamba yeke. So nami ngiyafana noPaul. Ngeke phela all of a sudden sesiyakwethemba futhi. What if you don't show up? Because you have a record of not showing up. So bese siyabadinga koBarnabas. Abazothi hayi mina ngizomezama ngimeluse ngimlungise aze abe right aze abe. That's good. I love the fact that Barnabas saw that the man by the name of Mark is not a failure. He's not a failure. And I love the fact that uNkulunkulu nanoma amveza via the book of Acts chapter number 15. Wamveza njengomuntu oyesehluleka. But in the book of 2 Timothy 4 verse number 11, the Bible is the same Paul that rejected him, deemed him as a faithful servant. Funda lapho lindo 2 Timothy 4 verse number 11. Paul said that he is unfit. But also when he was talking now, abhalela uTimothy encwadini yakhe yesibili ukhuluma ngoBarnabas. Funda. Verse number 11. 2 Timothy 4 verse number 11. Funda. umkhulu wena kuze kube hana fonto
nguLuka yedwa onami
thatha
uMarku uze naye ngokuba unosizo kimi.
Uyayizwa lento uthi mnandi kanjani? So uMarko naye akaqabananga noPaula ngoba uPaula angamzwanga ku-Acts chapter number 15. uMarko waziveza njenge-faithful servant until uPaula ambone afanele ukuthi uyi-faithful servant. Inkinga yenu nithi ningakhethwa ngabanye abantu bese laba abanganikhethanga nilwa nabo kanti iphutha lakho uyalazi. uMarko wavela njengesana wabona ukuthi nami ngibhedile vele wakwamukela kungahambi noPaula wakamukela futhi ukubaqabanisa oPaula noBarnabas wase wathini nizoba faithful mangisebenza nobani noBarnabas aze uPaula angibone ni faithful. This is what we want in the church now. You see now, akufuni bese uyalwa ukuthi umfundisi akasakuboni ngalendlela bekakubona ngayo, ukuthi umfundisi akasakukhulumisa ngalendlela bekakhulumisa ngayo. After solibonile iphutha lakho, veza ukwethembeka kwakho kule dimension obekwe kuyo, aze lo ongasakuboni noma ongakuboni ufanele athi uyazina lethani noMarko ngoba umsebenzi wakhe uyabonakala, i-faithfulness yakhe iyabonakala. Ungahambi expect the same seat. Mina ngitshelile ngathi you can go to every other prophet, but masofuna indlela yokusebenza. I am an analyst and a strategist. I will help you. I'm telling abanye abantu abakwamukele ngoba ukhohlakele. Wathi usukhohlakele wazenza umuntu okhohliwe ukuthi ubenzeni. Wazenza umuntu ongazuthi yena une amnesia bese yakhohlwa ukuthi umoshe kanganani. Bese ukhuluma kabi bantu. Ngikhuluma nani ngoba angigudle umuntu ngoba ngiyathanda ukuthi hayi namhlanje bengagudla ubani. Angigudli umuntu namhlanje ngiyanifundisa. Abazali bethu ngabe siyezwana nabo. Sithi masenze mistake bese siba please siba curled up in our rooms. Sesicala ukubazonda. Kwehle bona instead uthi kwehle thina. Ukwehla kwakhe akusho ukuthi uvumelana nawe. Ukwehla kwakhe ukumaintain i-relationship nengane yakhe. Kodwa lokhu owakwenza wangakuqoliseli yena solo kusamlimaza ngoba angakwendlulisa kodwa kuyabuya ngoba awuqolisa nalokho iphutha lokuxolela umuntu ongaqolisi ngoba lesilonda asipho sibela kusihlaba ngaphakathi sivaleka ngaphezulu kodwa ngaphakathi siyahlaba ngoba noma nisebenzisana uyakhumbula akaqolisanga akazehlisanga kodwa uBarnabas wamfundisa uMarko ukuzehlisa. Lithi iBhayibheli niphathelene uMarko, he is useful to me. He is useful to me. Even though Paul rejected him, Mark was seen as useful to Paul. Umark akazange ahlasele uPaula. Umark akazange aye kaFacebook ahlasele uPaula. Umark akazange aye social media ahlasele uPaula. Umark wathembeka. Umsebenzi wakhe waze wawubona uPaula wathi ngicela ngilethelele uMark. He is useful to ufuna ukuphakanyiswa. Are you useful now? My babo, are you useful enough? Njengoba nje uPaula ulahlile mfundisi la ngisuka khona umfundisi wami engangithandi ngiyalibonga lesonto ngoba lona liyangithanda liyangamukela sanibonani ma-EPC amahle ngibonga ukuthi ningamukele mina ke ngiyasebenza ke ngizosebenza la kanuna mama ala usuka khona ukubolile ala usuka khona ukubolisile wona wamosha uzobhaka angazi ngikhuluma nobani la kodwa ngikhuluma nawe. Ya usephola manje la usuka khona wamosa. Ya ngikhuluma nani ngibuka phela abanye abantu balaphola bawusho. Omnye usukela kangwane uthi bengisuke eSwatini ngizofunani la bazongitshela bathi niyamosa la msuka khona bese manifika ngapha nibabahle. Abanye belunimosha endlini la usuka khona. Umosa uhlala khona la. Usuke lapha ngashiya uze ngapha. La ufika lapha umsizana obengafuna ukungena. Lo ommoshele ngane akasangeni ngoba ubona nophamisa izandla uyikhona elikhulu. Amazi ngakhuluma ngoba are you useful? Sibuze leyo nto ngabe ngi-useful na? Am I useful? Uyasebenziseka na? Uyasebenzeka nawe na? Hayi babo. Hayi babo. Yazi nabanye abantu ufuna bahambe boguqa phansi kuJehova bathandaza bathi ngisize Nkosi. Kufanele ngibe usizo kulela sonto. Ngalibalisela isonto futhi ngalikhuluma kabi ungakake waba usizo kumuntu. Ngasizakala ngabafundisi nama leaders akhona ungakake waba usizo kuleyo ndawo. Ungaqala uwabona amabala, uwabeka amabala abantu ongakazi wakubona ukubaluleka kokubasiza. Abanye abantu bayezama lebalo olibonile ukuthi basadila nelinye bayeza kulo. Bawungabuyela emuva ngathola sebalisusile. Are you useful na? Abanye mamdlamini indaba agudi ngayo madlamini Nkosi yami mfazi kaBaba into engichaza ngawe ukuthi uyabekezela futhi uyeza nasesontweni. Ngisho sebakhulume kabi uqhubeka uze nasesontweni. Waya uyazazi indaba zakho. Ayikho into engilimaza njengomama ongasazi indaba zakhe. Ayikho into engilimaza njengomuntu owubaba ongazazi indaba zakhe. Nomuntu omusha ongazazi indaba. Are you useful Elohim na? Masikubiza sikubizela ini esontweni. That's how you see if you're useful or you're not useful. Wena ubizelwa ini esontweni. Bazo umuntu noma ngekho kuyafana. Ngoba vele noma ekhona kuyafana. Yinebethoni nje, nothing into useless ongayazi uyithatha uyibekephi. Umuntu ongamazi noma ulibring noma uliplate. Into enga-understandeki nje ukuthi ngimenza njani. Plate ngiphakela kuyo noma ngibeka ikomisha yetiye awazi ulibring noma uliplate kuyafana. Ibhara elingenamasono. Awusalazi noma uwashela kuyona noma ufaka usemente kulo noma ubeka izinto ezifile khona phezulu kwayo. Kunabantu abanjalo esontweni. They are not useful for anything. Even a dead clock gives you the right time twice a day. Bona bafana nje nento efile ibhubezi elifile. Baze bathi inja ingcono kunebhubezi elinjani elifile. Inja ephilayo ingcono kunebhubezi elinjani elifile. Is in the scriptures. Kunabanye abantu they are not useful. Indaba ila ubebebe. Indaba ikhuluma ngathi bashumayela kanti banamanga. Hlebe yendawo into useful ngayo ukubona amaphutha abanye abantu. Akalaze lakhe iphutha kodwa uyabona amaphutha abanye abantu. Ngoba umabalengu uyabathanda umabalabala nabo umabalengu futhi umabalengu uyathanda ukubalabala. Umuntu ogangayo uyabona abagangayo. Hayi babo sanibona. Ashisa namhlanje. Siyathandeni phela ufuna ngilungise manje. Ashisa namhlanje. People can reject you, but it doesn't mean you cannot be redeemed. Great people can reject you, but it doesn't mean you cannot be redeemed. Yes, they reject, but later in life they will see. Hayi manje ngiyamaslo. Ngilethele yena. Ngathi uyasebenza manje. Sebenza kangaka ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uzufike emadlebeni abantu abakhulu abake bakurejecta before. Bonakala kuloko kwenza kube kuhle kangaka ukuthi uzube recommended and recognized kulesihlalo esike sakurejecta before in the name of that's God. Learn to outgrow worst moments. Learn to outgrow worst moments. Your biggest issue is when ziphutha eli1 so uhleli kulo nawe ulithwele la ekhanda hamba na vele mina ngeke bangithande phela mina uyangazi solo bangibamba ngesici sami asikubamba ngesici sakho ukuthi wena ufuna ukushintsha. You still look like your problem. You will still look like a problematic child. You will still speak like a problematic child. You will still act like a problematic child. How can I not associate you with a problem if you still look like a problem? Nega uthi uphuma edakeni bese unakuqeda ukugeza umaceleni kwalodaka. Antu uphuma khona. Usengabuyela phela uyakwazi ukushisa kangakanani basodakeni. So mangabe ufuna ukubona kanje umuntu ohlobile suka phela kulodaka. hayi inkinga yakhe iBhayibheli lithi indoda in Mark chapter number 5 ebeyazwa ukuthi ayigezi yanuka ihlala emathuneni yabonakala duzane naJesu ayiduzane nethuna lithi yabonakala ihlobile duzane nobani nojayi nethuna yayisemathuneni kodwa yayingekho duzane nabantu abafile yayiduzane nabantu abaphilayo ngeke uthi usophila kodwa sikuthole abantu abafile lento kuyabamba before ikhangele phela ukuthi awusaphuza ufuna nethaveni uzophuza idrink yana ethaveni anta usaphuza hayi ngisele Coca-Cola la bathi ukwaphuza asayethembe nalokho ngoba ungaphuza. Jesus help us here. May God help us outgrow waste moments. Outgrow waste. I told you the other week that you will hit rock bottom. Into embuzoyenza namhlabeni uyafuna noma ufuna okukhohlakela noma awuklini kanganani uzobe kwahlula uDavide wakwenza okubolile nokubheda ukwenza ukuthi kuze kufe nabanye abantu because of isono sakhe. So okubolile usazokwenza noma ngathi hayi mina ngikholwa uPetro hamba noJesu wadla isinko esibusisiwe uPetro wahlala etafuleni kodwa wamphika ungolo noJudas wavela waveza ukuthi unosathane wavela waqoshwa etafuleni wazibalekela yena uPetro wahlala waphuza igazi wadla nesinko umzimba kaJesu kodwa mase kashaya uJesu wathi yemfaza angimazi nokumazi loya wamphika suthi no Barnabas ayethola no Judas Iscariot akahlanga nokusidla isinko wafaka isandla babamba bathi una vele umkhaphelo umkhulu kodwa uPetro wahlala kunabantu abazohlala nawe etafuleni kanti bazokujikela kusasa bangona nabakushiya vele wazi ukuthi lo isinto sami lesi uPetro wathi ngibethelwe nawe ambobethelwa nabanye abantu bazokujikela abanye abantu ungacabanga ngoba nibaningi etafuleni bazohlala nawe lithi bafundi baJesu bakawubethela uJesu they were nowhere to be found. Only one disciple stayed until the cross. All the others they went to hiding place, to their hiding places. In that's 12, that's 500. But then that's 12 abafundi baJesu. Bakuna 3, bese kuba na 12, bese kuba na 70, bese kuba na 100 and something. Bese from 100 and some disciples ekhuluma nga bakuna 500 and something. You can't lead 5,000 people with 12 people. You need more than 12 liters to lead more 5,000 people. Man, akukunda amadoda. Awubusa amadoda awu 5,000 no 12 ngeke. Indoda ithi ihleli ibicabanga ukudla. Ithi ihleli ibicabanga ukuthi yakhanjani imali. Awu 5,000 aserumini eyi1 omntwana ngeke wakhona ni u12. Nidinga ukuthi ngaba u500 so that ngilo abe nabantu bakhe. Ngoba wathi uJesu makahlephula isinkwa nesikhambo kule mfana namafishi wathini wathi bahlaliseni phansi 12 abantu bangeke bahlalise phansi abantu nabo 5,000 men excluding women and children. Those people are close to 20,000. No 12 ngabahlalisa abantu aba 20,000. Wena ufuna ukuhlalisa abantu lasontweni uAsha. Hlala phansi mama angifuni. Hlala la mama angifuni. Hlala la ngeke ngitshele wentombazana uyi1. Cabanga abantu aba 5,000 amadoda wodwa wena ukhalisa umfazi oyi1. Uhluleka ukuhlalisa umntana oyi1 wena ngene emnyango. Uhluleka ukuthola umamakhe, uphi umamakhe naye athi isandla. Noma makathuliswe nje bheke phezulu phambili ungathi akamazi umntanakhe kodwa laba they had to make abantu aba more than 20,000 or 20,000 bahlale phansi. You need more than just 12. You need more. Jesus had more disciples by his side. Bakabhayibheli bathi amanye ama disciples kaJesu makathi mina ngisinkwa sokuphila in the book of John chapter number 6 I believe lisho kanjani akathi mina ngisinkwa sokuphila if not 7 akathi mina ngisinkwa sokuphila into eyenzeka lithi ama disciples akahamba yini 12 wasala so ukuthi kwakunamanye phezulu kwamanye ini ama disciples. That is why lithi in the day of the Pentecost kwakungekho 12 kuphela ama disciples liyabala lapha eBhayibheli kwakunangakho ama disciples ebese bahlangene lapha over 100 babahlangene behlolwa uMoya wehlela nga 12 kuphela ama disciples wehlela namanye ebekade asele kodwa ahamba amanye makabethela uJesu akaphinda ngabuya. So that is why ukuthi abantu bazokushiya uhleli nabo ukuthi ulasontweni nawo kusho ukuthi uyoshada December lapho ula manje sikhonza na ushaya izandla abanye beni by December nyobe ngekho la hayi nokuthi nyobe ngithola isonto yokuhleli nje ekhawuthi sengisontile sekwanele Ngiyanazi phela mina ula manje kodwa December yokungekho uyovela nge-crossover awuzumethwale baba awuzumethwale baba sewela na umfundisi wami lo uyangazi umfundisi wami lo uyangazi lapho ngimgcine nini first quarter or second quarter kunabantu be-first quarter basekho manje besinabo kule first quarter bahambile after Good Friday badlile phela sihlaba inyama yenkomo badla zokushelela abake manje be-Women's Day bawugwala ke makawosi bathi fu chaya izandla sithatha ithombe banyamalala December nge-crossover babe bangekho kuqala uDecember kodwa mhla ka-31 babe bagcoke white bayazi kufaka white ngoba ngifaka sephephula umzobani baye bengekesithi kuyi-crossover ngithi sifaka uphephula wena uvele no-white ngoba ngiyakwazi vele umnyamalele uhlezi May God help us. Listen to me. People will leave you. And when people leave you, don't cry. Don't chase after them. Allow them to leave you. Allow them to leave you. Allow them to leave you. May God bless us. Amen. May God help us. Acts chapter number 15 verse number 40. Hey. Paul chose Silas. Barnabas took Mark. Neither tried to force a relationship to continue under tension. Ngiyayicela ke nami lento lena aboma sengehlisile. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungayizami relationship une tension. Mina nje ngawungihage esigabeni. Ngoba ngizwa ngathi ufuna ukungibulala. Sigabeni sayakavumelana kodwa hayi akunankinga uya brothers. No. Ngoba manje ima lapho ngimela ngiphefumule ngizafuna ukukuhlola kahle. Kodwa ngihamba ngifuna ukungigwaza. Don't force a relationship when there is what? Tension. If kuna tension ungayiforce ini? Ya mina ngeke ngikholwa ukubana nomuntu usilala emphethe nodwa. Angikhona. Because ngilala ngenze uyongithinta wena ngesihle mina ngithi uyangishaya ngifaka isibhaqa. Lala ngiready. Nyawo zami nazo ziready nezandla zami zinjani? Ngilidela ukuthi ungithinte wena bodonsa ingubo ngiyayekela. Don't force a relationship when there is a what? When there is a tension. Lala nje sithi ngilunga okwelinye ikamela. Awuvela kwezinye izindlu engikhona ukuhlala kuzo mina ngathi uNkulunkulu angibuzise eli. Ngoba ngeke ngikholwe ukulala nomuntu mina ongitshele kahle ukuthi hey ngabe kuyosunjani. Besicabene nje wathi kuyosunjani mina ngeke ngikhonele. Sengilale vele okunyezalela ze ngeke ngibone uzongenzani ulele uyobona njalo ulele mina ngifuna ukulala ngibuka ngehlelo i1 no ngiyakwenye indawo. Don't force a relationship when there is tension. Don't force a relationship when there is a grace in knowing when to let go of bitterness. Kunabanye abantu ufuna basuse endlizweni yakho. Waqabana nabo kusukela wazalwa. Yangeze Moses because of what they did to you. But umdala manje ukuthi ngawuqabana no auntie kusukela 19 Gobalphondo so wazalwa waqabana now 2003. Nabantwana ba 2003 ba graduate this year. Abanye bakhona 2001 abanye ba graduate now. When solubambe inkani ne bitterness and graduation phakathi. Degree enkani ya university yasengqondweni yakho ya qualify soluzonda umuntu lemva le ya college inkani na release these people. There should be a day and a time whereby you release a person uzumbuye kanje uthi ngiyakuxolela I forgive you. Asibuze na ukuthi hayibo you forgive me for what? You don't know but I know but I forgive you. There should be a day where you forgive the people obabambilela ngaphakathi. Let bitterness go. Watch this now. Without public warfare. Ngaba nginomsindo ungalule naye umsebenzi ngiyakuxolela I forgive you because ungakakhiphi lamagama lawo washo ekamera ngisengamxoleli ngoba la udibana ekhona uyesu ngathi nyamanyalithi nenalithi esibhakama la yabona nenalithi eba not ubona umuntu uzathi mawuphefumula ngathi lamaphapha ngene emanzini uzayakamxoleli yenza umuntu uthi umxolele mawuthi udibana naye uzwe lesikhumba ngoba abanye bayaqhubeka nalento yabo ngoba bathathu wayemukela kanti yakugwatisa ngoba ushoko ukuthi yakugwatisa. Go back and tell them I forgive you without public warfare, without contaminating the mission, without contaminating the what? The mission. Pastors, friends. That's why I mean every son that has left the church obeka old enough engqondweni ukuthi ngikhulume naye ngeke phela ngikhulume nawo bonke abanye basengakakhuli balinde ukuthi bakhule bese ngikhuluma nabo ngiyangizwa mos. So when you are matured you know who to talk to and when to talk to them. Ngiyangizwa mos. Uyambona umuntu ozothi mawukhuluma naye uthi uyambona uzomncenga. Hayibo now check. So I know certain people bakhona abantu abanjani now futhi babona ba notice them ukuthi no, this one is not matured enough now for me to have a conversation yabantu abadala miyeke manje. Then masuthi usekakhulile yangizwa mos, then talk to them, then they will be right. Ungayi umuntu ongaka realize ukuthi wrong iya umuntu oseka realize ukuthi unjani wrong asekabona naye ukuthi unjani wrong, because when we are growing up siba nesikhathi moment of silence where everyone leaves us and sale soda in solitude, then siyakhona ukubala bo wrong bethu. If lenda kwenzayo na ingakalistwa kubo wrong abenza shokona ukuthi lo muntu usengakakhuli funa akhule kangaka ukuthi mawufika naye mawuthi uyaxolisa asho naye ukuthi yazi nami ngabona vele ukuthi lapha ngabheda lapha we are not supposed to do like kodwa nawe wabheda kodwa nami ngabheda ngithatha squeeze nibe right. Umuntu yothi ukhuluma naye athi ya sozofaka umuntu wakho la hayi ukuthi uzoxolikolo thola inyanga entsha nomuntu loyo ongaqale, don't even talk to them, don't even call them ngoba sayakayikhuleli iapology yakho. You can forgive them in your heart, but reconciliation can wait. Because you can't force to reconcile with the person. Okay, at least without contaminating the mission. Many delay destiny because they hold on to people God has already transitioned out of their journey. Umbona nje umuntu uNkulunkulu sayamkhiphile empilweni yakho. Lo mina ngibona sakhuluma ukuthi kancane yamkhipha ubaba kujeni yami. Lo kancane noma ngathiwa siyachata yabo lo bayamkhipha kujeni. Ngibona inkulumo lazi yakhona. Le nkulumo le iya la kamdodi. Icala nje usayibona ukuthi besolo siza kahle kodwa manje yabona manje le fakala kamasipala le manje lisibutha imidustbin estratini sonke and uyambona ukuthi uthela le dustbin la kimi le truck le kamdodi la siya khona la ngeke be right. Don't say hand because when you are a leader of a church and you are a saved person ngoba wena so saved don't say hand icala ngoba ukwehla kwakho he who lays with a prostitute becomes a prostitute. Aliti, the person becomes a pastor. The person becomes a what? A prostitute. You become a prostitute. So if you allow the other power to drag you out, more especially the power of darkness, they pull you out of light to darkness. Ungavumiki. Yizo inkulumo ibona nje bona le. Iyekweni manje. Shashuji. Nyayi, mina fana masikhuluma. I was with other guys lapha at town and we're talking about what the incident that happened at the mall, right? And masikhuluma nalama dodala phepho gathi safuna manje mangime nabo ngiyabona ukuthi no unqualified kuba la ngoba kuvela umuntu velo munye velo futhi wena about no unqualified kuma. They are not bad, they are men, amadoda. They have to admire women and women love to be admired. Akabona umuntu ogezela kuyothenga kuphela ephepho la ufuna kube khona umuntu athe imamuhle bancane kakhulu abagezela kongena ephepho nje nase uthi nje mina ngithatha lo ukuthi athabe ngakodwa inhliziyo konke show vela bazangiphela usemube ngaleyo ndlela akakho noyedwa omvuselayo sekuyabheda mawuthi nginamanga nenzana kwanona manje ngikhuluma nami uthi mfundisi ithulile ifoni aphiki phela because abayibeni besinyathanda ukuthulisa la mathandaza kwanona nisho kanjalo nje lithi mfundisi ithulile ifoni akekho ngibonayo ngiyageza abantu bangangibona khuluma nawe ke manje. No one wants to go to town without and come back without a compliment. Ibhlungu leyo nto ayikho into ebhlungu noma na umesipili na ugqokile uyasibuka ukuthi aya ulindele nje ube khona fana compliment noma sewumchino ke ngisho noma geza akubona ukubona bathasikhulumisa no driver athi yamuyeke sesi yabonakala nje ukuthi uqakekile ukuletha ukuqaya kwakho la kimi. May God save you from that. Ningixolele mina ngakhula nensizwa ningixolele intombazane engashelwa noma ngathiwa intombi yakho owazi ukuthi awukakhethi kahle. If ungentombi engashelwa ngakhula nezinsizwa kusho kona ukuthi awukhethanga. Angisho ukuthi phinda kodwa lokho nje kuyisign ukuthi awukhethanga. Khonde shodayo khonde off umuntu ohamba nawe bakushayela izandla bonke abantu bonke bahamba ewana uhamba azabuya esitolo khonde off fana ukusonda nje